Hello, and in this video I'm going to focus on drawing mouths. Yn y fideo yma dwi'n mynd I canolbwyntio ar arlunio cegau. We'll start with drawing cartoon mouths. So ni dechrau efo arlunio cegau cartoon. Then we'll move on to manga style mouths. Okay, and then we'll finish off with more realistic looking mouths. So ni goffen efo cegau mwy realistic. Okay, so yn y dechrau efo arlunio cegau cartoon. Mae cegau yn gallu bod yn really complicated a mae'n gallu bod yn really hawdd hefyd. So a simple mouth would be like this one here, so a smile, and you'd have the two kind of sides of the mouth on there. And then when the teeth are starting to show or the tongue starting to show, then it becomes more complicated. The lips are usually, you've kind of got the lower lip like that, and then you've got the upper lip, which is like a kind of M almost, it's almost like an M, and then you've got the shape going through it, which isn't usually a straight line, but with cartoon mouths it could be a straight line. So you do that, you do that, and then you could do a wavy line. Okay. When the mouth's open, as I said, it becomes a bit more complicated. So let's say somebody's screaming. Tongues could be like that. Okay, so that's 3 lines. And you can put some teeth in, like that. So there's lots of possibilities. You could have, some lips like that. Maybe something like that. And you can give somebody a really big pair of teeth, like that. The possibilities are kind of endless, really. Mouths are very complicated. There's lots of muscles in the mouth. Confused look. When I started drawing mouths, I used to do them like this from looking at the Vina and various other comics, like that. And then I used to do teeth like a wavy line, like that. And then the nose would be triangular. So yeah, just play about the shapes. So circles, as I said, the tongues, like that. Yes, just try out different possibilities. Right, so the manga one. Let's move on to the manga. So manga, being a cartoon, there's some very kind of simple mouths and some very more realistic looking mouths. And there's also kind of mouths with the teeth showing and tongue showing. Okay, I'm going to do a mouth with kind of like a gritted facial expression. Okay, so hwnna dwi'n siap dwi isio ag ni'n gallu arlunio hwn efo pens lliw, felt tip pens. So I mean, dyna fo really. Mae hwnna'n manga style, a mae hwn yn manga style hefyd. So I lliwio fe fewn, ti ddim yn defnyddio lot o lliwiau really. Maen nhw weddol minimalistic. So ti'n dechrau efo, ti mewn i'r ceg. Mae pob peth I fewn y ceg efo hwn, jyst ddim yn gwyn. Dwi'n mynd i cario ymlaen y llinell yma efo lliw gola hefyd. Os ti'n gwneud mistake, dwi'n jyst wedi sylwi dwi wedi gwneud mistake. Jyst rhywbeth allan. So dwi'n licio danodd o. Dwi'n rhy gomod fel tonnau. Yes, it's well defined. Okay, so colour in. Let's go around the shape of the mouth. Okay, then now I'm going to just put a little bit of suggestion of the lower lip. So nothing too complicated. And I also put some of the chin in as well. Just a cut the line up, going to his nose, and basically, you know, that's it. It's a bit above the mouth. Yeah, just keep it simple. Okay, so symud ymlaen I cegau mwy realistic. Okay, so to move on to kind of mouths that are more realistic. As with any kind of drawing, what I do is start off quite simple and start looking at the shapes. Okay, like I said, mouths are, you know, there's lots of different shapes of mouths, and the mouth makes lots of different expressions. So you might want to kind of think about the kind of outline. You might start looking at it in terms of circles, like this, really. Okay, so this might be a kind of an part open mouth. Okay, so you start working into it. Okay, you know, look at mouths, study them when you're drawing it. Mae'n pwysig iawn I cael rhyw fath o llun I gweithio o neu model. Okay, so see these guidelines that started with here, I'm going to now rub out. So get rid of those. Okay, and I've got more of a mouth shape. So you might very subtly put the teeth in. Okay. So very subtly you might have the teeth just there, but you might shade these in quite a bit. So I usually shade in the inside of the mouth first of all. Because the teeth are going to be in shadow, I'm going to shade over the teeth with a very light pencil, just so it's very subtle. As I said, when you do these sketches of mouths, an open mouth is much harder than a closed mouth. Right, when you shade the lips, look at where the light's hitting the lips. And shade in the direction of the lip. You're just layering in tones as you go along. Try not to be tempted to shade like that. It's trickier to do it like this, but it does work much better. And if you look at lips, there are actually like very faint lines. Your rubber is very important with these parts as well. So some of these lips now are blending So the lower lip, because the light's coming from the top here, the lower lip is sticking out a little bit more. You can go for a lighter pencil with this lower lip. Use your burnishing tool for this, because you'll make the skin look a lot smoother. I wouldn't necessarily do it for the lips, because you'll lose the texture. Okay, so because the lips are sticking out a little bit, there's a bit of shadow. Okay. So if you haven't got a burnishing tool, smudge it with your finger. And try and keep working into the lips as you go along. You seem to put a little bit of shading going across now, just to show the light direction. Just going to smudge over the teeth. Okay, so that's lips with a partly closed mouth. So gwefusau efo ceg ar agor dipyn bach. So that's the mouth. Okay, so this is so that was a study of different types of mouths from Cartŵn, Manga and Realistic. Hope you find it useful. Diolch yn fawr.